Hello guys, welcome to my name is Amara. Today we are going to do color and sugar experiment. We have 2 glasses of water. Now first we put that sugar in one of the glass. Now we will mix it. Now let's put 2 drops in each of the glass. Only 2 drops. One. This is with sugar and this is not with sugar. That's why it's called color sugar experiment. Okay guys, bye guys, subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye, subscribe.